Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, how are you? In this video we are showcasing a beautiful handmade crochet handbag that is stylish, elegant and perfect for everyday use. This bag is not only a fashionable accessory but also a practical choice for carrying your daily essentials comfortably. You can carry this crochet handbag while traveling, shopping, going to college, office, family gathering, celebration, weddings, parties, or any special event. Its unique handmade design adds a touch of elegance to your outfit and make your overall look more stylish, modern, and attractive wherever you go. If you appreciate handmade fashion crochet design and beautiful accessories, this bag is a wonderful addition to your collection. This elegant handmade bag adds charm to your look and helps you stand out from the crowd. Carry it with confidence and let your fashion speak for itself. If you enjoy handmade crochet creation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss our latest handmade design and creative ideas. There are very beautiful and colorful bags you can see in this video. Thanks for watching and supporting our handmade journey. Stay connected with us and you will see you in the next video. Take care.